Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. I'm Dori O'Neill, and today's the big day. After all of the waiting, after all of the programming, after all of the challenges that we've faced, today is launch day. Master Affiliate Profits officially launches to the general public. And that means for all of you that have been waiting for the ability to enroll for free, that moment is upon us. That happens at 9 a.m. onwards, PST, that's Los Angeles time, West Coast of North America time. And I wanted to just send this message to everybody to let them know my commitment to you. Over the years, I've helped over 1 million people establish work from home businesses. Now, because of the blessings that has brought on to me and my family, and I'm semi-retired, I wanted to pay it forward. So my mission to you, all of you, is that if you join my team, if you enroll as a free member, a paid member, my commitment to you is that I'm here to help you make money online. So if you want to enroll immediately, and I strongly suggest that you do so once you see this message, go to yesenroll.com/map. That's yesenroll.com/map. From there, you'll receive my earn in 60 minutes or less. This system is designed for anyone, brand new, without any money, without any investment required, to propel you into a position where you'll be earning in 60 minutes or less. It's real. I've used this same technique to help those million families achieve prosperity, achieve abundance in their life. And I don't care if you live in the Philippines, I don't care if you live in the United States, Canada, the UK, Australia, New Zealand. This system really works. We're creating a community. We've got a new Facebook group that you'll be invited to join. We're here for one purpose, and that purpose is to bring you abundance into your life. You deserve it. You deserve to have the help you need to succeed, and myself and the team that I've assembled is committed to doing that. We're not looking for your money. We're looking for your work, your efforts, and your desire to make money online. My name is Dori O'Neill, and we'll see you on the members side of Master Affiliate Profits. Goodbye.